Wednesday, and every Wednesday, and of course every Friday, we head on down to the Utah Humane Society, where we pick up one of the dogs that are up for adoption and take them down to Fox13 to air them on television, to share them with all of Utah, to see if we can find them a nice family. So today we picked up Zoe, and Zoe is a rat terrier chihuahua mix. I didn't know anything about rat terriers, but they're very intelligent farm dogs. They were originally bred for farming back in the day, and hunting dogs, believe it or not. So if you are looking for a pet to add to your family, I highly recommend you check out the rest of this video where Zoe's going to make her debut on television. And if Zoe looks like a dog that would be a nice fit for your family, head on down to the Utah Humane Society and check her out. And if she's not a good fit, you know, there's a lot of other pets there that you could adopt, and we can get these pets a nice family.